Good evening. Today we will be covering the post-market analysis dated October 25, 2022. Indian equity markets rose today for second consecutive day. NIFTY opened gap up around 17,808 and managed to make a day high of 17,811. After that we can see some profit booking. At the time of close, NIFTY closed on a negative note, but still it managed to hold 17,650. Similarly, SENSEX tanked down 288 points to give a closing of 59,543. Talking about sectors, NIFTY PSU Bank emerged as top performing sector with gains of 3.5%. Now, talking about the three stocks that have managed to be in gainers list today are Tech Mahindra, Maruti, and JSW Steel. Top three stocks mentioned above rose by 3.32%, 2.79%, and 2.33% respectively. On the other hand, we will talk about those three stocks which ended as top losers. They are Britannia, Kotak Bank, and Hindustan Unilever. They fell within the range of 2.69% to 2.81% respectively. Talking about the recent development in the corporate segment, we have Rail Vikas Nigam Limited jumped over 10% on Tuesday to become the top trending stock from the Nifty 500 universe. Reason for such a rise being, Modi government was planning to offload some of stake in listed railway companies to raise money. Further, the government set a disinvestment target of 65,000 rupees crore for the current fiscal in budget 2022. In its recent quarterly earnings, the company posted a 20% year-on-year jump in net sales while net profit stood at 297 rupees crore, up 28% year-on-year. RVNL opened with a huge volume while taking strong support at the pivot level of 36.95. Then continued the positive trend till the 39.9 price level, but wasn't able to break the resistance level at 39.9 and closed at 39.6. Shares of JAMMU KASHMIR Bank soared 9% in today's trade. Reason being, the lender reported an increase in the net profit growth rate at 48.88% for September quarter 2022 to 2023 on a healthy growth in interest income and fall in bad loans. Total income during the quarter rose to 2,446.85 rupees crore from 2,308.22 rupees crore in the previous quarter. Jammu and Kashmir Bank opened with a resistance at pivot level 34.7, but around 11 a.m. massive volume spike broke all resistance, taking strong support at the R5 level of 36.6 and closing at 37.3. Shares of South Indian Bank soared 16% in Tuesday's trade, taking their winning streak to 7th straight session. Reason for such a rise being, the lender reported a profit after tax of 223.28 rupees crore for the September quarter, led by a drop in provisions for bad loans. Further, total income for the quarter rose 6.8% quarter-on-quarter to 1,995.12 rupees from 1,868.07 rupees crore in the previous quarter. South Indian Bank opened with a high volume in daily time frame with the share price above its moving average, which is a good indication for the stock, and maintaining the first resistance at 13.55 points while continuing the uptrend and closing at 13.15 points.